The holidays are here, but we should not waste them by endlessly scrolling social media or binge watching Netflix. This is the perfect time to recharge and work on ourselves. So, I found for you 5 hidden free AI tools that can transform your personal growth journey this season. Let me show you how to use them for creativity, mindfulness, and much more. The first tool on the list is PI, a conversational AI that feels like chatting with a thoughtful friend. Whether you need advice, want to reflect on your day, or brainstorm ideas, PI listens, responds, and offers insights to help you grow. And the best part? It's free. The second app is ideal for those who want to improve their language skills. Meet ELSA Speak. This app focuses on pronunciation, giving you instant feedback to sound more like a native speaker. Whether you're learning German for a trip or practicing your English, ELSA Speak is like having a personal tutor. Feeling creative? WomDream uses AI to help you design stunning artwork, mood boards, or even your 2025 vision board. Just describe your idea and it brings it to life. No artistic skills needed, and it's free. Number 4. If you've always wanted to start meditating but didn't know where to begin, Medito is perfect for you. It's a 100% free app offering guided meditations and mindfulness practices tailored to beginners. Take a few minutes each day and you'll feel the difference in no time. Finally, it's Maam, an AI that transforms note-taking. Whether you reflect on your year, setting goals, or capturing aspirations, Maam organizes it effortlessly and even reminds you of what matters most. It's free and super intuitive. These AI tools are like little helpers, making your personal growth journey simple, creative, and fun. Why not give them a try? If this inspired you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll share more hidden AI gems, tips, and strategies to help you grow smarter and make 2025 your best year yet. Let's do this together.